Okay, FM 101.7.
Honorable Nana Kwame Asafo-Adjei, MP for Bosome Free. Na ye ne no entwetwe enkomo. Honorable Memwache.
Kuma me so na so bibi pa bi betimi efiri Bosome Free ho aba.
Ane enti oka kire nse o de brande behwe. Nwanwa o. Afedu ba bi kwa ya na kokora ho ye nwanwa me boa.
Ya bebiri kwa ona na bebiri kwa. Akwawe so pa na ye kwan pa nye.
Wo hwe ba bi nipa no wie school pass school we. Enipa wie ma graduate film.
Opa. E kwan de enye na yitini free wa ba betu ha de. Na me ne da na se oba ya no de wano atum na omo behwe me kwan no so kakra.
Mate pa de ba betum. Na wodi ma ba wo ho a human rights and property bill. I dey kan LGBTQ. Ewunsem nchinyiwa efiri sabre na nado penso na nado penso ye say parliament ya pass ebre ba say ye de koma eco presidency no krata ba bonten say ebre na omo peduase e na omo ye so omo transmit bill no na no ankoye adwuma ebidi ko ho ko to e ma the last parliament no ekoguye abanfofo ba ye nsu no afeni ekirenie wo mo so gusu ye nhye se wo mo beye ama na no yehunu se ehun nkomo ba Friday ya anton kan kosoro ye beke ya pass bill no we ye pass bill no a ekire nkomo bebre nkomo ye die ni se eniema bi wo a o ma yi afirim se hwan na yi firi mu bepem na ye ka ye hu wo mo so ma ya amendment bebre eno so eda ho ya pass eno amu ye ho press conference honorable Abangbaben ese nya instruction me de ma ye ni me kan say table it for consideration man ka say me pass bill no ama no so kwan say o see he is meeting the leaders of the house eno so wasem sound komoyi ba bia ya ba beduro yi die na ka fa wo ho
oba me da wase pa na etia wati fo so na se ne se wo wadaroma wo fa se semre o kakra immo hunku kakra si mape MPP amanyuku no ye ba ben mu 2016 ye nega na fo kasa esre wo mu se ye won hihye ye bibiri ye won school free SHS ye be ye kwan ye be ye zipline ye be ye national identification card sani amani na no fa yanka LGBTQ anka. In fact, ye na kasa Ghana mrano ye woniema bibiri wo mrani mu a ko sa eniama no Children's Act ebiwom Marriage Act na ebiwom Criminal Act ebiwom even your constitution ikra ebiwom so pese o hweno sa mrano a nanka there were enough laws a bit to be dealing with this issue. Yan 2020, the same thing. Yenni manfo and wasem. It was not your campaign message. Somewhere along the line in our governance, and 7 NDC members plus 1 MPP member. A committee that idea or more private members bill. Send a yenya friend saying A class or say or per se or them maybe back parliament. Now you pass it na uwa kola ye ni DNA test no. Sound away so clear. You be kumi and go far by. In fact, some bread. When we are wounded, the money be yes, say, Kumu Pano, wow, better LD bill in who are seminal. Now, would dear, why you say, would dear, to so, sir, and money, mema, and animal. In fact, the bill became so controversial, say, anybody that sought to propose a change and now said, propose a deletion, became the enemy of the bill. Main question crowd. Yen Kasa, me and Kasa, me offer. On my boy, you may do. A car, kitty, primaries, and car. Woman, the idea, Kakre, say, or no, dear.
I'm a kind of already quiet campaign, cram up. Now go from the island 23 primaries.
Because not will propose this, and you may be more. No, she do, and you may be so more. And they were very broad and I said, we understand what generalizing at the end. It almost says, free. In fact, civil society is very easy. Friends, a human right concerns. That time, no. Now, in the animal of the bill, the buyer, some judge that a deal, man, not until you are so hot headed. Oh, plenty of you. And I do me type maybe Parliament Speaker Bang Obisa MPs say, wow, what did them who are own for bill no so. Now, Sasso, now be Ghana for the mayor. So everybody became quiet. And a bill you dibusa the passing. A passing, and it could be a sorry the bill the court. So, a mumpany, never do more, and more, yes, son. In fact, ought to know. And Dante, a Casa injunction or the taboo to Parliament to say, Mana Parliament and transmit and Fabiano and Coma a Kufuado. And no, Fisher, sometimes Fisher name, Chief Justice, and you assume me by Montemua, Fisher says, or no, or the Nehu Parliament, and young Chief Justice about the control Parliament, and you know, but saying, it's yet what the taboo to supply the Papa Mr. President. Mr. President Rumo Pediase and then the cabinet Omudi Komo and now we say all the bill no Echo Jubilee House. And now Secretary to the President actual Catabre will say, yes, dear, I'm not Omudi, Omubu, court no, into a more person or money court to be yasen, into a more poucho, bill no, and fan back, China court no someone to be in every Muvia, Namudiaba. Ofa, a year way. Ye dane Ghana for you na tia Kufuado etia MPP ye de ye peme kwa sign off. In fact campaign ye nuanu mu ye wa sign off ni say ye pese ye huge question na numbers ni ye de ne doso na ye timi bo LGBTQ bill no egu. In fact omo ka say bill no boni bia boni ba ko kwa eni bill no ho bia ye kodi o bill no ho. Some judge ka say in fact Kenya for the far bill no, or Monday for Kenya no, or Manchester debt, or Manchester F. I dear almost a sign pet a D Ghana, and almost a son no a in Kenya, and no more same bill no. Yamiadum, after one more kind, a pass of 14, a Stogana 14, of a movie that's a Roman soft one penny full, or Musha or Moclerica, no one tire. No one the number we are so a yes demonstration. A tear to say on sign bill no. That time no, not when said bill no, not a chingy of one na. That time not when said bill no, and send the horses a tree to the wee and na. That time not when said bill no, near maybe a horse here, this is same one na. You are what say and said bill na yet ready here and said the sign. I said this way no, near here and sure here. And never bad day with dear. What about Mendy and near Mako 31? So I said, one minority, I can say, young to Ghana for you now, when you say, Bill now, Modi Koma and Kufuado, and I will more person over the man Kufuado say, all sign. And you tell me, oh no, and net your passing our body Koma, President John Mahama.
Honorable, what a question be say? Say committee. Because say honorable you do order so as a chairman of the committee and now be it is a decision be about say or more amendia. Say amendment no it emanated from the members of the committee and when you nipa ba could be a bit
me know ya minority and can say amendment no and yet and as a parliament any who can say or more amend the embrano yen can say ye kosan ya ye bisa ne se ene die na atim wani so ana se die na mofu ana ba ne sen ana mudi ya tumi ni wie na sei na sebe adwenya ba mutiri mu se enyema wo yenye eno ma yes ebesi asem ni so se bill mi nunu enye pe.
Now obi be say we live in the world of evolution. Can you say o sha atare na o sha learning material pa twisua nipa no anye contractor obe civil engineer ana waste kani learning e wo ho but nipa preference na ntesa niema sesa oh eti we bia owosa kohwe mu yi no om say oh say can we nim but we am ye the way you film near the way be shemu eye eno no nka say kaboni ni madawroma
ofa me wo ya adwene sana ubeka ne sanu the kind number nipa ni hu say oyenyacho because in some way no can movie nipa bi kae nipa bi ka ho asem rezie when tie ka say atana wo mo ka no enye no pre nyentumu odi e obe no eye sapepe ensaka bia ni bibia ye koje nti no be jetu awo ye bisa o se na no genti na wo mpene genti na wo tie no my the who say I'm no and the same to the first point. The second point, catch Ghana for say, sebi. And people kufuado and they blockade to the bill. And then you hear to me, you know. What about the jet to say? Na papa no or blockade to the bill. Bill on the crown and do the humble and no akase obe sign and now on sign no atlet we say change na main sign bill on the crown and do the ho. When you want to one kasa no kwena ntira o man no. Money you took political advantage. You capitalized on it. And then you did what you want to do. You benefited. And then the world is evolving. Then the world is changing into what our business are there. And no, some backward. You need to that. Yes, touching me, you say. Of a sudden, I can't. Still, no. I will spread across all the bills in this country. You're sorry, who and Ghana, and Baba, insinuation, say. Bedu oye maimwa na sa ni peku LGBTQ for no na o ba sole in fact billboard flaba kromu ha champion LGBTQ ekofo di sika be shemu ye ka ho asem ehun dede ba ye pe point from ye nkola na e school ni mu nukura no esia LGBT ho ade e wo school mu so the track say advocacy no that promotion, that funding, that organizational support, that campaign for LGBT, yembra sadian. In fact, that was named as a clause 9 of the amendment of the bill. Clause 9 of the bill, no, as I said, prohibition of propaganda, promotion of an advocacy or for activities prohibited under this act. It's your prohibition, no ni promotion, no ni advocacy, ni dan, ni tumi ni na ho de ewo. Ofasa wo mra ma men kan jo ti. Ni oma mending them ti. A person shall not promote or support an act prohibited under this act. B. Engage in, participate in, promote or support an act aimed at changing public opinion towards an act prohibited under this act. C. Offer premises or any other movable or immovable asset, or provide any form of assistance for purposes of promoting an act prohibited under this act. This is the thrust of the matter. Now, what of a bill, what amended bill, no amendment, exemptions to 9 category of people. Of a new 9 category of people, minority, no say. Before we are exempt under promotion, now so be percent or yet LGBT, be percent or advocacy, or be percent or promoting, or be percent fundia, or back for share. Of LGBT once a me, you know TV so, you know news, you know internet so, and all for the show articles near Hako kind. You see, I say the publications from academic, scientific, or medical research findings, no, and no, you are exempting it. Now, what is exempting? If one one day, or to me, more sitano, was say academic rights in the and some to LGBTQ. Nah, you are.
Yeah, now be so be academic writing as you say it, no. Ebi a one also or ye e dey condemn I suppose the dangers thereof. And no it na ka one no so mo hwe say. And a question am for obisa ne say. We no e dey o ma ye free mu no e ye committee ni nyina adwene. Ana say nipa ba ko bi adwene.
Over me first kasado. People say media for almost say the reporting of news or current affairs by a media house or journalists in ordinary course of media. And no offer. We start here in Central Germany. Offer na me share school as you. Obi about the boss who was who promote LGBTQ.
There be.
Boss who bought. Awesome. But say the we be promote LGBTQ no. No they play brand was. So why do they give you leeway that the same constitution which is already protecting you? Why would they give you a leeway? Now, be a senior for staff here, and somebody will take advantage of this and do the things they want to do. In fact, if you need share our more deliberate opinion, I bad TV so. Some judge was telling the AIDS Commission for the say, promote LGBT, advocating for LGBT rights, no. But I'm saying that the AIDS Commission, leeway in their performance had the same agenda now will condemn, you know. And by saying, in fact, UN for sure, EU for sure, international organizations, this role. Now, by an open exemption, the dissemination of information by a government body, non-governmental organization, development partners, NGO 4 years, promoting. It is the way you almost remove there. Now, no, it's one pass because other laws we have them in our so we are saying that exemptions, no potential avenue for the advocacy, the same thing you are passing in the bill. Why do you exempt it? If you say, oh, lawyers performing their legal, what will lawyer be a sebi offer? A tidy lawyer, lawyer no, they see a tidy to they say lawyer need to move. And I want lawyer do work for to or Maka said, could be your friend say, within years, the lawyer knows you within. Their rights are already protected. So why do you exempt them under this promotion? So when you read the clause 9, promotion, together with the exemptions, and I'll tell you now, yes, cannot actually say the law largely was to prohibit advocacy, was to prohibit promotion, was to prohibit funding, and all those things. See, as normal exemptions, that is an avenue they can use. So why do you pass a bill that will give the same bill? For the protection you are giving to the bill, no, you give some people an avenue to abuse the protection. That is where we have a problem. That is the crux of the matter. Minority for you, say one time here, them should see how they are no. One my bill no one day no I confirm because other law in in the bill no. You don't know baby for pedophilia where your constitution would sodomy where your constitution would all other act, marriage act war. So why did you need the your friend say LGBTQ act? You are going to exempt this before.
My question we speak about Matisse one also cry kasa say what kind instruction he left say any behind the say nka womo emra ho for consideration wan kase obi am pass bibia. It is meeting with the leaders of the minority and the majority san komo ya wono so dia betumi eto say
ofania etoso member ho eni etoso mi nu ye if I talk as a committee na me know ya agene. Some of the proposals were things that we were talking about, so me know ya agene. The sponsor the bill, the lead sponsor of the bill, Reverend Fojo, made it clear on the floor of Parliament, say there was nowhere in their committee meeting our money exemptions were Ibrahim. So he's seeing the exemptions for the first time in the plenary. Number 2, say Obi a sponsor of the bill. Now prepare a report we are. And then the answers of the report to the government so own now or you okay and send a report back on the floor of parliament. None of the sponsors got the report and send a parliament. So we are not saying that the committees did not work. They work. But that bill when you think for the use will be also they smuggled it in because now only Moshi or more in Yantu or more in discuss it and the bill. So no. Now say about the started consideration of the bill. Leadership name direction. Oh, Mr. Speaker, bill way there. You better consider from clause 1 to clause 10. But that is what Honorable Ayariga told us in the room. Say, and then Friday, in the bill, no young consider clause 1 to 10. Now young comrade, that's for me about the twasso. Yeah, clause 1, clause 2, clause 3, clause 4. I could do 9 now. The raise this are 9 way issued, and I know show bad them more. Then the sponsor of the bill, in fact, we pattern the sponsor of the bill, no. 4 every MDC majority, 6 every MPP minority. 4 of the MPP form now more them ho. None of the NDC sponsors were in the room. Into Mamba, Omuniho. Into when you see for your can say, and why need was 9 and 3 mudia. I will withdraw my bill, a private member's bill, so I will withdraw my bill. If your can't withdraw now, all too much in your withdraw me and you clear me, and that signal as a very draw bill, no. Then you read that to be a penny for the second deputy speaker, honorable friends, Siama, honorable Fenoma case, they all came in. No, now you mobilize a Pia Quabonti, a press conference, I can't say Ghana for say, sponsors of the bill, no, a draw bill, no. And no man, or Modia who prepare, you pay free them one day, and a clause 10. As many as who approve the clause will be part of the bill, say, yeah, clause 11. As many as say, clause 12, some of the passing bill. So I look forward with the speaker's report, say, one can't show someone passing bill. Yes, one can. In the room on Friday, they never signal say, oh, passing bill, and I say the passing bill. No. But when we say, there's a potential for the sponsors to withdraw the bill, no. Now, one day, I prepare a possible because now 1% sponsors the withdraw bill. Or more withdraw bill now, it begins a whole process again. And no more, yes. So the speaker is right. The instruction he left, and you know, the store. And no more, it's your buyer, no, and any day. And no, all friend leadership for no say, no make sense in here. They are not all quick, you know, the job. Woman, you know, yes, anyway. And that is the explanation. Maybe to them, me here, and I may can't assist us with our family. So, but let us declare, say, we must let the entire country know that.
As I want him, dear, may fair committee report, no. One more Eddie Ebaye, no. Now, committee report, no. Sa, minimum some munina read it through. And maybe flaws are walking, say a be woman as him. Committee report, no. And no about the plenary.
Yes, committee report about plenary. Maybe it's a committee report that you have. My main country just say, 1. Me sponsor of the bill. 2. Me member of the committee. Me a member of parliament. Me shemra. Ye dekrata abremi nama kain. The members of the the sponsors of the bill me say, "Must be a report no. One share report na mrenoma. One share report who report no on the floor. Offer again nothing stop any member of parliament.
Say, one on the floor. Say above floor of parliament for consideration. Na mo be discussing one. Eti yan farm no kura na eba floor of parliament ni say on sabeka copy.
And no na the floor of parliament no na yefu and no dey raise and can raise assembly and then ye can was one. This is why you have a problem. But when we saw this on the floor, they raised it on the floor and the hazard will capture say Reverend Simford was stated on the floor say there was nowhere in their committee meeting that these exemptions were mentioned or agreed. So even though a whole report the mem is on the floor, that capture say or no sponsor of the bill no some exemptions we no one famba one can wasem when we say oh who say a floor and indeed think it to be a life or can wasem or them and then what makes sense say living threatened to withdraw the bill before we know and no they buy they didn't bring the bill for exemptions to give room for the same thing they are protecting. It was what some no anu the BNC makes no foreign affairs committee so. A bit me a committee, me a quite GBB a bit me a unanimous committee or you bill the report in the floor. No sorry, next time once we will be BCR report now. Next say report with in fact, Mr. Speaker, not me or them go. They my day we are there. They were one center. Nothing stops you. And you are no master fine. At the end of the day, numbers now you do anything. It will pass anyway because we need numbers. We are on the case and you are too swaba. You too swaba. Who ya? It's your facility. No, you are numbers now and can you and pass it. But you need numbers. No, it is by all means over the numbers no every blue. But we must also make Ghanaians and the public know say the bill, the potency of the bill, which is the protection of prohibition of promotion, advocacy, funding, no. The any way na more man, exemptions na more man. Na nipa ne betimi afa ade aye ne opeso ye na. Asem na wo pe no, na nipa ne betimi afa. So why do you pass a bill and pass behind the bill and give room for the same thing you are passing the bill for?
I see. Now the speaker can't find so at the same.
Any year, that's a Pinoba Cusiano. Honorable Ayada Canasem. Honorable Afenuma Kinson Becanasen. At that way, no, at leadership level, minimum someone by the count Afahon. But in any ways, bill not pass it. Many lawyer, the lawyers will do the legal gymnastics they want to do about it. But and now I'm here, Mampeni Mahama. I was a bit disappointed. The disappointment, me say. Even though this bill, everything about the bill, it is known to you. Everything about the bill. In fact, the 8th Parliament bill is known to you. What do you mean can't change that? Now we need my dear 8th Parliament bill, no matter how share Ghana for boss over sign. Now we need a dear a what bill, and I'll be a campaign say, what do you over sign? In fact, bill we need to know say, they are members of parliament. They are Attorney General is a member of parliament and is of the consideration of the bill. And so when you are the IO campaign message, you do not need any advice. That's UK for no tatama of now what's around. That's almost the parliament are passing bill. No, it's in a sign because that was the promise you made. So you don't now go and hide under constitution and the mommy advice. Umuria na me dia command council of state for muso to me for David what brosa what pound you see what so can see back when they say bill no the exemptions are not part of the bill. If you if bill no you're okay to pass then you share bon so your only point is say Ghana for NDC for ya tomorrow or more say the old bill was ready for assent. That's a good buy. No. It means that the bill you knew was not ready for assent. You knew the bill was not on the table of a Kufuado to sign. Yet you made political capital out of it. And this is where the hypocrisy is. I was saying, Ghana for Tao Munya, Tumua, Omuya, Omada, Ghana for Nana, after from Penifuni, you Machi. That's a mobile. More something different. It is the minority's position.
Mami na wase na mi senya mpamfa ma wai.
Oga mi se me da wase.
Se me da wase pa. Ono Nana Kwame Asafo-Gyei MP for Bosume.
Okay FM 101.7